In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shared folder for wedding photos so you can upload all of your photos, your guests can upload photos, and everyone can see and download the photos that they like. So to do this, we're going to use Google Photos. So this is a great solution because pretty much everyone has and uses a Google account. So go to Google and type in Google Photos. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on Google Photos, and if you've already signed into your Google account, you'll just be taken straight into this window. From here, you'll probably be on the default Photos window. You need to come to Albums here under Collections. Then you can go ahead and create a new album. I'm going to call this Wedding. You can call this whatever you want. Everyone that joins the album will be able to see this. Then go ahead and click Add Photos, and it will give you the option to upload some photos. Because I'm on computer, I don't obviously have any photos, so we can just go ahead and exit out of this and then go back. You'll then notice that your wedding album has been created. Now what we can do is we can go ahead and upload photos. Now what we would want to do first is click on the three dots, click Share Album, and here if you click on Create Link, you can then create a shareable link which you can go ahead and share with your guests. So here is that link which we can go ahead and copy. Now we've got the link copied, it will take us into the album again, and you want to click on this Share Link and just make sure that you've got Collaborate checked, and here you've got Link Sharing checked as well. And you can now go ahead and share this link with other people. This is what it will look like when you share the link. People can then click on it. They'll then be invited to go ahead and view the album. And from here they can click Add Photos and upload all the photos that they have.